Something, 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 the dark side. Something, 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 infinite power. What's going on, you guys? My name's Kobe Downey. Welcome to this awesome video where I'll be showing you how you can use Solidworks and 3D printing to create your own lightsaber. In this video, I'll be showing you how you use Solidworks to create an awesome little hilt, how we used Adafruit components to create all the electronics that makes it go woo, and how it was all put together and all techniques that I use for that. It's a fun project, something I've always wanted to be doing. As you can tell, I'm a little bit of a Star Wars fan. So the inspiration for this tutorial came from a tutorial that Adafruit posted a little while back on how to create your own lightsaber. This included all the components needed and the code required, except for the one that they made is a purple light, but you can easily change the colors and the sounds, and you can adapt the code for what you need. For me, I just wanted a cool lightsaber and I wanted to create my own custom hilt. I didn't want to have to spend a lot of time figuring out how to code everything. So this was a good start. From there, I bought the components from Matterhackers. I then assembled it together and made sure everything worked, and then I got cracking on the hilt. So let's get into how the hilt was made in Solidworks. So we jumped into Solidworks. The first thing that we designed were all of the electrical components that we were using from Adafruit. This would help us build the body around it and make sure that we have everything in digital form to make sure everything fits snug. I then made a cylinder which will be the basic shape of the lightsaber. I then fit all of the components inside into the cylinder and then designed everything around that and made the internal structure that I was looking for. From there, I can then start with the external details and making it look like a cool looking lightsaber. Once everything was designed, it was all 3D printed on my Prusa MK3s using their Prusa Mint Silver PLA. So once the hilt was designed and printed, it was then time to assemble it all together. To assemble the hilt, I just used hot glue, mainly because I want to be able to open it up and access the components at a later date if I need to change anything or improve anything. Obviously, the ideal thing would be to design it so that it can be disassembled with just some screws. But this could be, say, version 1. Once it was assembled, this was the fun part of seeing if everything I had worked so hard came together and worked well, which it did. I was so excited about this, I just had to show off to my neighbors. So finding fun tutorials like that and adapting it to be your own can be a lot of fun. Adafruit has a lot of really cool tutorials on their website of fun things that you can do, and then you can adapt to your own project, just like I've done with this. Fun fact about this video, this entire video has been filmed on my iPhone 11. Just to prove a point that you don't need the fanciest of cameras to make your videos. Just use your camera on your phone, and with the amount of technology in there right now, you can create wonderful videos just with your phone in your pocket. I hope you enjoyed this, I hope you learned a lot from this. Please like and subscribe. If you see anything cool online that inspires you, don't be afraid to take the leap and try it out and create something awesome for yourself. And remember, create to inspire.